Hey everyone, welcome back. Dave R here again from Coder. In the previous session, we covered the fundamentals of the Coder platform. In this session, we'll walk through how Coder extends secure development environments to AI agents. If you're jumping in now, the previous video covers the platform fundamentals and provides helpful context. So let's go. Since Coder already provides secure remote development environments, extending that model to AI agent workloads was a natural next step. Last year, we introduced features like Coder tasks, agent boundaries, and AI bridge to support this. I'll walk through each of these capabilities and then wrap up with a demo showing how they work together. With tasks, developers can select a pre-configured template that deploys an AI agent of their choice into a secure environment. Before the workspace starts, they can optionally provide a prompt. Once the workspace is provisioned, the agent ingests that prompt and begins working on the assigned task. System prompts can also be injected to provide more context to the agent. Another approach you'll see in the demo is creating agent-ready workspaces using external CI/CD tooling such as GitHub Actions. In this model, triggers can call the Coder Control Plane API to provision a workspace automatically. This is useful for workflows like automated issue triage, documentation generation, or feature request analysis. In both cases, agent boundaries and AI bridge add security, control, and observability around all agent activity. An agent boundary acts as a process-level firewall. It restricts which domains an agent can access and provides detailed auditing. This prevents agents from making unauthorized requests and gives visibility into what actions were taken and who initiated them. Whereas AI Bridge sits directly in the request path. It authenticates outbound requests, tracks token usage, audits prompts, and emits telemetry that can be sent to your existing observability stack. For the demo, we'll use Grafana for monitoring. AI Bridge also supports MCP tools injection. It can connect to MCP servers using external authentication providers and inject tools automatically, enabling you to centrally manage the list of tools you wish to grant to your users. All right, let's see these capabilities in action. For the demo, I'm going to use the GitHub repository we use for our AI workshops. If you haven't had a chance to attend one of these workshops, consider this your invitation. We host them periodically during the year, so stay tuned for the next session. This repo contains a simple memory card game application. It also has a handful of issues, and we'll select a couple, spin up some agent-ready workspaces, and have our agents resolve them. There are a couple of ways to deploy agent-ready workspaces through Coder tasks. The first is through the Tasks UI. Using a prompt, I will start the workspace, clone the repo, list the issues, and have the agent analyze each. I'll select an issue and ask the agent to resolve. While that workspace is deployed, I will create another workspace through GitHub Actions. In this scenario, the action will create the workspace through the Coder API and prompt the agent to resolve the issue. To trigger this, we'll add a comment by tagging @CoderContribBot. Now that the first workspace is deployed, we can see in the chat window that the agent has listed the issues. We can also see the app running inside the workspace. Along with the app, we have a number of tools at our disposal, such as VS Code Web, a file browser, and a terminal window. I'll ask the agent to change the card back design to a red diamond, which is defined in the issue itself. For the workspace deployed through GitHub Actions, I can see the agent has already created a plan and is waiting to proceed. I'll proceed with the plan. While the issues are being resolved, I'll take a look at our Grafana dashboard to see what data is streaming from AI Bridge. I'm filtering based on my username and any activity within the last hour. I can see my usage, how many interceptions AI Bridge has made, and all prompts and tool calls captured during the demo. This gives security and monitoring teams visibility into all agent activities performed from Coder workspaces. Let's go back to our workspaces. Now that the issues have been resolved, we can verify by viewing the app directly in the workspace. In our GitHub repo, we can see the pull requests and branches created for review and merging. The last thing I'll demonstrate is an agent boundary in action. In the chat window, I'll prompt the agent to clone an unauthorized repository. However, after attempting to do so, the agent advised that it is not able to clone the repo that is being blocked by boundary. This prevents an agent from reaching outside of approved endpoints. And that concludes this demo. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.